Luckily, we were still in Japan during the peak autumn season, and definitely we wouldn't want to miss experiencing this gorgeous fall season. So, we decided to take another trip to Kyoto because Kyoto is a heaven of fall foliage. The area is amazing because it has many stunning Buddhist temples and shrines, beautiful Japanese style gardens, tea houses, mountains, ponds, gardens, and bridges. All these together make Kyoto an outstanding place to hunt for gorgeous fall colors. Our first destination was Arashiyama. It is a pleasant touristy district in the western outskirts of Kyoto, tucked along the base of Arashiyama Mountains. It is particularly popular during the cherry blossom and the fall season. The Togetsukyo Bridge or the Moon Crossing Bridge is Arashiyama's most iconic central landmark. The bridge looks particularly attractive in combination with the forested mountainside in the background, a splendid view down the river which varies dramatically from season to season, and people enjoying their boat rides in the Oi River. You will find many hot water springs and onsen resorts in this area. Ranked among Kyoto's 5 great Zen temples, Tenryuji is the largest and most impressive temple in Arashiyama. In addition to its temple buildings, there are attractive gardens, ponds, wonderful mountain views, and walking paths. And especially in this fall season, it looks all the more beautiful with so many colors splashed. Hogonen Temple is a sub-temple of Tenryuji. It is known for its historic Lion's Roar landscape garden. It has beautiful ponds and colorful trees. Experiencing so many beautiful colors of nature splashed in just one area is an absolute delight to watch. The Arashiyama Bamboo Grove is one of Kyoto's top sights, and for good reason. Standing amid these soaring stalks of bamboo is like being in another world. I think no picture can capture the feeling of standing in the midst of these sprawling bamboo groves. It is a grove of carefully planted tall bamboo plants, and the path goes through the forest. Entering this place is like coming to a whole new world which is so calm and so serene. Iwatayama Monkey Park can be found just south of the Togetsukyo Bridge. After hiking uphill for about 20 minutes, visitors will find an open area with over 100 monkeys roaming freely. The area also has nice views of the Kyoto city. After exploring Arashiyama, it was lunchtime in this cute Musubi cafe that served vegan meal. And of course, some ice cream as well. From Arashiyama, we headed to Kiyomizudera temple. Kiyomizudera literally means pure water temple, and it is one of the most celebrated temples of Japan. It is famous for its wooden stage complex made of 168 pillars. The stage offers visitors a nice view of the numerous cherry and maple trees as well as of the city of Kyoto in the distance. It is also one of the best places to see the sunset. After watching the beautiful sunset, as the night sets in, get ready to witness the vibrant fall colors illuminated at Kiyomizudera temple. The vermilion leaves and the illuminated temple are a grand view to behold. Walking under lit up maple leaves at night gives a much different atmosphere and experience than walking under them during the day. Spending a beautiful day in the magical autumn colors, we were back to Osaka. Like, share and comment and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.